The popular question is, how much is all this modern EFI going to cost me? All the PMO hardware from the air cleaners down to the heads, including the linkage and the manifolds, $43.50. The Emtron ECU and all the modules required to read the NOC and wideband O2 signals, $23.50. All the various sensors, including brackets and hardware and adapters, are $1,500. The fuel system, including the injectors, hard fuel lines, all the adapters, the fuel pressure regulator, $640. Coil-on plugs, $810 for all 6. Used parts like the idle control valve and the NOx sensor bridges, $150. The complete wire harness with fuse panel and relays all the way up to the fuel pump, dashboard, up to the battery, everything included for the engine management, $27.50. That's $12,500, which is pretty much what I have into the car to make it drivable. I told you it was expensive. That does not include dyno time or any of the extra troubleshooting that's probably going to be required.